It's lunchtime. We're having a picnic on the bow of the boat.
Yeah, this is the coolest place on the boat. That's got the best view of the water.
Yeah, right now we are in about 13 feet of water, and you can see like the grains of sand on the bottom, the grass. You can see little crabs crawling around. Really cool. So we're having little hot dogs, cheese and crackers, and Ren's got beans.
Beans like them sausages.
They're little hot dogs.
We're chasing dolphins. We're on the lookout. Kenzie saw some in the distance.
Right there.
There it is, yeah. Is it just one?
I think it's got at least two.
There he is.
Oh, look at that. It's two dolphins. Oh, was that it?
Guess so. It was a quick stop. We could go back. They're not nearly as interested in us as the ones yesterday were.
Yeah.
Still cool though. It is incredible how calm it is out here. Down goes the anchor. There it is. Clear as day. Not going anywhere in a hurry, are we?
We are halfway between Mangrove Key and West End. We are anchored out in the middle of the ocean. It is so calm and flat out here that we can do that.
And hot.
It's really hot because there's no wind.
No wind. Like at all. Look how calm that ocean is. It's ridiculous.
And if you look out there, you can see our anchor road and pretty much the anchor as it goes into the sand.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Yep.
At least when we were sailing, or motoring.
Yeah.
At least when we were motoring, we had the breeze going on us.
Yeah.
Up here. But now that we stopped, there's nothing cooling us off now.
Yeah. It's a ghost ship. It's a ghost ship. Oh my god. No, it's just our shadow. Kidding. So clear down there. Crazy, right? You can see the anchor out there. Or at least we can from the deck. I don't know if the camera picks it up. But we can see the anchor out there 30 feet ahead of us, just as plain as day. Pretty amazing. We're anchored in the middle of the ocean and no sight of land. So it's a weird sensation just be anchored in what feels like just a whole world of 12-foot deep ocean. It's just gnarly crazy. This could take a while. Looking pretty nice, huh, Kenzie? You've been wanting the bath for a while.
Oh, a salty one.
Yeah. We don't have enough fresh water for a fresh water. Good, it's full. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Oh, yeah. That is just right.
Randall, it's something big.
Yeah, check it out.
Is it a turtle, maybe? Oh, that's creepy. It's a huge turtle. Maybe he was liking your splashes. Oh, I think I can see him.
Well, I was feeling like a bath because it's hot out here, like a nice cool bath. And I just realized we've been carrying around the perfect bathtub this whole time. So I got the bucket and filled it up. It's nice. It's really nice. It's just beautifully cool and refreshing. Oh, but not cold at all. Oh, it feels amazing out here. It's better than swimming because you can just lay here like a bump on a log, soaking it in.
And there's no jellyfish in it.
Yeah, well, I don't think so. Yeah, the ocean's full of jellyfish today. We don't know if they're stinging ones or not, but this just seemed too nice to pass up. Oh, yeah. Seems surprisingly stable still. Nice one.